All right, how you doing?
Doing pretty good.
Good morning, I'm Carrie. Hi, nice to meet you.
I'm John. Come on up.
Come on in.
Want me to go or? Yeah. So this is Steve, taking the video at the same time.
Welcome to our work in progress. This is our home away from home. We very basic right now, a bed, a TV, a coffee pot, which is wonderful. We have plans to do more. Barnwood on the walls. There is flooring done underneath here. I just like the carpet. Yep. Coolers for our fridges. We're coming to places like these to get ideas on what we want to do to make the most of our space.
Yeah, there's a lot of buses here to look at.
Yeah. So. We're really excited. This is our first schoolie event.
Yeah, she's got all this space. This is my corner.
Well, you've also got the big space in back.
Right.
Oh,
and when you see the back, you'll know why I have space up
I
here.
forgot about that.
Well, maybe you can show us what it is that's what's behind the curtain.
Yeah.
Well,
What's behind the curtain, Johnny?
might have to go look, I guess.
Thank you.
So explain your joke here on the side.
Well, for students, busing company. Now this.
So self-explanatory.
Pretty much, yeah. Work hard and play harder.
All right. Shows what you did here.
Well, we took the back of the bus. It was a full-length bus. Cut it up, moved the back forward, and put a fifth wheel hitch on it.
Okay.
Drag a 53-foot trailer.
That's a big trailer.
27,000 miles on it in a year and a half.
Wow, that's a lot.
Big Sky, Montana, New Orleans, Daytona Beach, Myrtle Beach, Galveston, Houston. Been around a little bit.
Now, do you race professionally with these?
No, these are just toys. The black Jeep, I've had that for going on 20 years.
Okay.
I took a couple weeks off and finished that one up. That was a 4-year project. It's not completely finished yet, but it's functional. Plans for paint on that before February this year. A red Jeep, riding a Harley through town one day, and my girlfriend's like, "That's a cute Jeep." Her favorite color is black. I was like, "But it's not black." So I went and checked it out the next day. Ended up took it home for her.
Hell, you had the room for it.
Yeah, usually I can get 4 of our Jeeps on this. Got a whole herd of them.
So are these the normal tires for this truck, or do you have other tires as well?
I've got some 66 inches. Used to have a monster school bus. That's why the main field trip is on the lower frame of it. That's actually part of the old school bus monster truck.
All right.
Tore it apart.
Well, this will answer people's questions about, can I tow a car behind my bus? Yeah.
If you have the right transmission.
Yeah, this bus has got a 3126 cat in it with
nice.
Allison automatic overdrive.
Do you know which Allison? The 3060, you think? Or?
I'm not sure what the number is on it actually, but it doesn't do bad. I run a top speed of 67 mile an hour, and we can maintain 65 on flat ground pretty decent.
Okay.
7.5 miles a gallon loaded.
That's not bad.
No.
This gas will work for us.
Yeah, it's pretty good. We got some work to do on it, finish it up, but it's...
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's do it.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.